The MaxiSys ADAS tablet provides comprehensive coverage of ADAS calibrations, along with the advanced diagnostics capabilities and time-saving automotive service features for which the Autel's MaxiSys line of tablets are known. A lane camera calibration is necessary when this video will demonstrate the procedure to calibrate the lane camera on equipped Lexus vehicles. This method is applicable to all Toyota and Lexus lane change camera equipped vehicles. Vehicle preparation. Set up and perform the calibration frame leveling procedure by following these steps. Attach the VCI to the vehicle and turn on the ignition. Ignition on, engine off. Connect the diagnostic tool to the vehicle. Tap Diagnostic. Tap the Auto VIN button on the upper left of the screen to read the vehicle identification number and identify the vehicle model and equipped systems. Select ADAS Calibrate. Select Front Recognition Camera. Please note, the vehicle manufacturer may market this system by another name. Please refer to the user manual. These vehicle preparation measures vary by vehicle and system. Please follow the preparation instructions on the MaxiSys ADAS tablet to ensure accurate calibration. Place the calibration frame. The following tools are required. Calibration frame CSC0600. Target board holder CSC0600/02. Target board CSC0601/15. 2 wheel clamps with laser attachments. Tape measure. Move the calibration frame in front of the vehicle. The floor must be level. Neither a pattern board nor the target board holder should be attached to the frame. Rotate the fine-tuning bolt to align the marked lines. Loosen the handle and rotate the fine-tuning bolt until the scale value is 0. Tighten the handle to secure the crossbar. Align the pointer on the sliding plate with the 0 marked line. Tighten the bolt to secure the sliding plate. Turn on the laser and aim the beam at the front center of the vehicle. Adjust the height of the crossbar so that it is level with the center of the front wheel. Move the frame slowly to reach the specific distance between the vehicle emblem and the back of the crossbar. When the frame is in position, power off the laser. Rotate the bolts on the base until they are secured to the ground. Do not over-tighten. Attach the 2 wheel clamps to the wheels by placing the pawls outside the wheel rim and tighten. Ensure the wheel clamps are firmly secured to the wheels. Insert the connecting shaft of the laser into the clamp port. The laser calibration board should be facing the front of the vehicle. Tighten the bolt to secure the laser. Turn on the attached lasers and adjust them so the beams light the rulers on each side of the crossbar cover plate. Loosen the handle and rotate the fine-tuning bolt until the rulers on each side of the crossbar plate have the same value lit by the laser. Tighten the handle to secure the crossbar. Lift the cover plates on each end of the crossbar. Adjust attached wheel lasers to control the up and down movement of the reflected laser beam. The reflected beam must shine on at least one of the scale boards of the laser boards. Rotate the bolt left or right until the scale values lit by the reflected beam are the same on each side of the bar. Now the calibration frame is parallel to the vehicle. Close the cover plates on the crossbar. Power off lasers on the attached wheel clamps and remove clamps from wheels. Start the Lane Camera Calibration. Tighten the sliding plate bolts on the target board holder crossbar. Attach the target board holder to the crossbar and tighten the bolts to secure the holder. Attach the target board to the sliding plate of the target board holder. There should be no light source, windows, lighting fixtures, no reflective material, and no black and white patterned material similar to the calibration pattern behind the target board. Rotate all the bolts on the base of the calibration frame. Ensure the frame is level by referencing the bubble level. Loosen the ruler to touch the ground. Adjust the height of the crossbar to set the pointer at the specific height value on the B side of the ruler. Push the ruler back to the original position and secure it. Ensure the engine is not running and the ignition is on. The screen will display the relevant parameters of the lane camera. Tap OK. After confirming the adjustment is complete, tap OK. The screen will display parameters of the ECU camera. Confirm them and tap OK. Slide the target board to the middle of the board holder crossbar and aim the pointer at the marked line. Tap Next. Follow the instructions displayed and perform the following actions within 3 minutes. Slide the target board to the left of the board holder crossbar and set the pointer at the value displayed on the tablet. Tap Next. Follow the instructions displayed and perform the following actions within 3 minutes. Slide the target board to the right of the board holder crossbar and set pointer at the value displayed on the tablet. Tap Next. The tablet will display a message when the lane camera calibration is successful. If you have any questions or concerns about this procedure, please contact our Autel support team. Thank you for watching this video and for being a valued Autel customer.